Look at that jet going up there. In the pink sunset. It's just standard view. But yeah, there's some really pretty ones over here. Let me zoom in a little. And a little more. And a little more. And perhaps just a little bit more. Look at that. How pretty is that? All right. We had lunch here at the little Indian restaurant across from Love's, and it's called Koner Daba Restaurant. Apologies on the spelling, but yeah, very tasty. We enjoyed it. You get your meal, comes out in a tray, and then if you eat everything or you run out of something on your plate, they will bring you more. So very, very tasty. Highly recommend if you like Indian food, which I do. All right. It's looking like Quartzsite is getting into full swing. See all the RVs and stuff over that way, and over this way. The exit at the west end of Quartzsite is all backed up. We're coming down the what?
Quartzsite.
Yeah. Quartzsite, welcome home.
Welcome.
35 miles an hour. Here's a RV park of some sort. Welcome sign. So I think I'm trying to remember what the name of this road is, like Tyson Wash or something or another. Kewen, I think it was. I only had a glimpse of the sign.
That maybe.
So we're coming up on the Cresinus. I think I've seen that before.
Look how dusty it is when somebody goes out the road.
Oh yeah. Get that transit out of the way.
Are these people just parking to go into the
Yeah,
vendors?
pretty much. This here's the Tyson Wash. This is the big flow area. Most of the water around here is guided down into this.
So you're going to have to park out in the hot sun to go walk in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it opens first days tomorrow, but some of these are already open now, the vendors.
And I don't know if I particularly need to see anything right now.
No. Well, you should go check out the registration for the...
Over there, you see the big tent way over there. Look at this guy's wheels.
Lots of fat pills. Cinnamon rolls.
Oh yeah. County Fair cinnamon rolls. I don't really need that. There might be an electric bike display. We could run over and see that when we go to the show.
There's where they're having the YouTube info about the YouTube Creator Fest.
Oh, is that where it is?
If that's where, yeah, probably.
Looks like it.
Where they have seminars. It looks like there's They just have the sign for it.
Yeah, more
Gems.
rock and gem show, and I think here's the firewood guy. Yep, there's the firewood over there. Chinese restaurant. We just missed that. Okay, so that's good for now. Alright, you see here we're coming up over the bridge, over
Excuse me.
whatever the interstate is. There you can see Quartzsite filled up. Now this lot here, this is usually filled to the gills with RVs, and they're not here this year.
Yeah.
Well, no, they should be there right now.
Were they RVs for sale in that lot?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this used to be a big La Mesa RV. Interesting. Not there. Alright, we can make a free right turn, I believe. Okay, let's run into the store and get a couple things real quick. We're just leaving the hardware, liquor, grocery store, and they had what I wanted, a little crystal ball screw-on for the shower pole on the bathroom faucet in the truck camper, and they also had some split bolts so that I could connect the solar panel a little more properly without having to solder. So that's going to be handy as heck. And just magically see how the crystal ball appeared there.
Here's it.
And
Put it there. I don't want to.
and there is the split bolt. So now we take our left turn and head back on up toward camp. Then keep an eye open here for Paul, just in case we see him. He finally got his something or another from the mailbox. I guess it's kind of a trick to get your stuff out of the mailbox sometimes.
Well, he has to go back tomorrow. The one that came today was supposed to be there yesterday.
Yeah.
But the one that was supposed to be there today, he has to go back to get tomorrow.
They're a day or few behind.
And you know when it's there, but you don't know when it's ready.
Yeah. So anyway, I don't know if we'll mess with going to see the Hoba camp. Paul's going to leave Hoba camp and come back up to our camp Sunday, I believe. All right. So now we are coming up on some more of the camping areas here. A lot of RVs in through there. We are now coming up onto Plomosa Road.
Yep, a lot more people camping here now.
Oh yeah. Yeah, numbers have picked up considerably.
RV sales.
So it says 14-day limit. There's the camp host over there. So the number of people camping has picked up considerably. Guy ahead of us is driving a little on the slow side. But yeah, there you go. There's a whole bunch of RVs, and it gets even more packed in a little farther out here.
Where the groups are.
Yeah, I'll pause until then. Alright, we are starting to see more and more people here. You see over there, tons of people. And some of the groups are starting to accumulate out in this direction. You can see over there, that's going to be a big batch of them. Over here is a famous YouTuber, not to be named, out of consideration. Actually, I don't know if I would say famous, but popular. So what is this name here? Dream Chasers. Wahoo. That's a pretty good sized group. Then over here we have some others. Yeah. Roadrunners. But yeah, this all filled in here in the last week. And how long they'll be here, I don't know. It might just be as long as the tent is here. There's a pretty good group of them over there. And we've got a bunch more coming up over here.
That's a coachman.
Looks like the transit section.
Coachman, it said.
Coachman, yeah, but they're transits.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Coachman transits.
Well, yeah.
I can only catch like one word, ACA.
Yeah. The main one that we're down here for is the TCA, the truck camper, something or another. Mellow Mike's gig.
That said when. This is ACA.
A lot more in here. Over there is another popular YouTuber. Doesn't look like they're home. S&S and the RV Cats. Nice people.
SKP Rally. This is a huge phenomenon.
There's a big group in there. That is a lot of people that just showed up, and they've got a community tent there. This might be escapees, I'm not sure. Boomers.
Boomers.
Yeah, that could be the Boomers.
There's other signs. The SKP rally. There's another one. Something Montana.
Yeah.
Can't read all the signs.
Can't read them all, but you can kind of get a glimpse of what all is going on.
I'm glad we're further out.
Yeah. Yeah, we're out of all the commotion at the top secret location.
Quartzsite something. Doesn't help when the sign sideways.
But in remembrance to a very popular YouTuber who passed away unfortunately last year in a motorcycle accident of all things, back over in here is where Lewis, rolling Earthship, used to like to camp. Very nice guy. Never actually got to meet him, but we did email and text a few. Okay, so we are at the end of the Plomosa Road camping areas and heading now to the top secret location.
The sun is shining brightly, so it will be hard to see.
Got a Dr. DiGiorno pizza going in there. Extra pepperoni, cheese, and mushrooms.